Welcome to this video for designing your own reports in the Report Center. It's recommended that you have watched the previous videos about the Report Center before looking at this one. In the video, I will create my own Excel report, and it will be done by selecting exactly what I want to see in my company or project. The first thing I need to do is to click on New Report. Here I fill out the report name, and I want the name Customer Report. Then I select which user groups should have access to this one, and I want administrators to see it. I can choose whether it's a personal report that only I can watch, or if I want to share it with the other administrators. I want to share it, then I click Save Report. And now it's time to configure the report, so I click on the wheel in the report here, and the configuration is done by selecting the fields that I want to see. And if I start with selecting customer, I see that I get number 1 here. And this number is the order of the columns in the actual report when I print it. So if I select project now, you see it gets number 2. And I also want project manager. I want to see resource. And if I click on actuals here, I can select what type of transactions I want to see. And I want hours, I want cost, I want to see how much is earned, how much have been invoiced, and how much is billable. When I have filled out the fields that I feel is good for this report, I can move on to the next section, and I choose a summary column, and I only want to see transactions total in this period. So I enable total in period. In the last section, I have data. In this section, I can exclude types of transactions by disabling fields here. If I, for example, don't want to see invoicing of office expenses or rounding, then I can just disable them. But I want to keep all this, so I save report, and then the report is done. When I want to print this report and see the fields, I always need to filter the report. So for this report, I only want to see for one particular customer. So then I choose belonging in the filter, and I select the customer project help. The time period I want is year to date, and I click on it and click on Run Report. And once the report have been downloaded to my browser, I can open it, and I can see the columns that I have selected. The customer, project, project manager are all in the order that I wanted them. And I see the other columns out to the right. And as we see, I get the total in period. So for example, there were 492 hours from year to date on this customer. A very simple way to get exactly the numbers that I want to see. Thank you very much.